like
true.
that cute little raccoon video that I sent you today.
The snoring.
Oh my gosh. Is that not the cutest thing ever? Mm-hmm. Like someone walked into their shop, heard snoring, opened a drawer, and there was just a raccoon chilling.
Submitted for your approval, a snoring raccoon. It's very nice.
What a little man.
What a great little moment of zen.
Man, I love how unbothered some creatures are. You know, I wish we were that unbothered.
Yeah, right?
Gosh, I wish I was that unbothered.
IFAF.